is a disease many struggle here on island. SelectCare hopes to help its members manage the illness with its diabetes care program. Herman and Christine will tell us a little bit more and also about other programs that they have that can help attack our lifestyle choices, living a well-balanced life. So let's hear from you. What would you like to say?
Well, thank you. Thank you very much for having us here today. We always take every opportunity we can to let our members know what we have available to them, health and wellness-wise, to help, I guess, lead them down a course of better lifestyle choices, if you will. We came in here to talk about the diabetes management courses that we have and some of the things we have available to help with that. Diabetes on Guam, I think, affects about 12% of our population. Obesity itself affects about 25% of our youth and our adults, which is a pretty hefty number when you think about it. 1 in 4 individuals on Guam is diagnosed or is considered obese. So a lot of the programs that we have on board are available to help our members make better lifestyle changes, have things available to them. A lot of times impediments or individuals not working out or not eating right, a lot of it has to do with, one, finances. Maybe it's too expensive to do some of these things, or it appears to be expensive to do these things, or they don't have things available to them. They don't have a gym available to them. They don't have classes available to them, or straight up just don't have a lot of information available to them. So we work pretty hard trying to get this out to our members. We work with 2 clinics to provide these services to our members, Dr. Horinuchi's Wellness Clinic and the SDA Wellness Clinic. Cool. So we've got a great diabetes management course or class that's held and proctored by both of these clinics. And we try to get out as much information as possible and get our members to participate in this if they find this either interesting or necessary for some individuals.
Nice. So tell us maybe a little bit about what goes on in that program or in that clinic. What do they talk about, and how we could get people excited to attend the diabetes classes?
Well, we just started working with one of the local hotels.
It's the Onward Beach Resort.
The Onward Beach Resort Hotel, to offer it in kind of a creative way or a creative style to get more people interested in participating in the class. You know, we can proctor and facilitate some of the information that we get out by taking beach walks. So we accomplish 2 things at one time: get a little bit of activity in, and we get some information out to the members. So a lot of that has been successful. So we try to break out of the classroom mode, if you will, and get people interested in it. And we've had some good response with that. In addition to those classes as well, we try to pair it up with more physical activity. We have free weekday workouts available to our members, and we do that in conjunction with some of the more popular fitness providers here on Guam: Paradise Fitness Center, Synergy Studios, Still Athletics, Custom Fitness, and Unified CrossFit. They all have free classes that our members can take advantage of, and you can get. We have sent out that information as well.
Very cool.
Aerobics classes, yoga classes, beginning basic CrossFit training that has been popular for a lot of the island community.
Nice. So lots of different options for members to choose from. And I know one of the things was also, if I'm a member and I'm watching this at home, how can we get access to these programs? Is there a place where we could sign up?
Well, if members are interested, all they have to do is contact our wellness clinics directly. So that way they can schedule an appointment to have an initial consultation with the registered dietitian or nutritionist on site. And then also with that, in their consultation, they'll also be doing a pre-assessment, which is just a basic biometric screening of their blood sugar, blood pressure check, BMI, body fat, just to get a baseline of where they're at in the beginning of the program, and then they'll do a post at the end to kind of see if the program was effective for them.
Definitely. I like that.
In addition to that, available to all our Calvo SelectCare members, we have an online health risk assessment tool. They can go online, log on to that, answer a series of questions, and get a report back on what your health risks are. Are you at risk for heart disease? Are you at risk for diabetes? And once you can identify those risks, you can use the same tool to research how you can now approach these risks and hopefully mitigate them and take them away from you.
Definitely take some preventative measures.
Yes, absolutely.
So again, thank you so much for joining us
Thank
today.
you.
It sounds like a fantastic idea for members to take a look at what SelectCare has to offer. You do not want to miss out. There's more after the break. Stay tuned to KUAM.